Veera Sharma. Welcome to Radio Bharati. Here are 8 top news update for today. Explosion at Nowgam police station in Srinagar kills at least 9 and injures dozen. Car blast near Delhi's Red Fort kills 8. Government calls it a terror attack. NIA raids carried out in multiple states in connection with the Red Fort bombing. Telangana Rising Global Summit in December to attract global investors. India calls the Delhi car blast an act of terror. Rising concern about further regional security measures. Delhi anti-pollution curbs tighten as capital AQI hits dangerous level. New policy to expand anti-smog guns across Delhi by November 29. Delhi's worsening air pollution is linked to more than 17,000 annual deaths, raising serious livability concern. Raids across Delhi, Haryana, UP, Jammu Kashmir, and Madhya Pradesh in connection with the Red Fort blast. Chief Minister Revant Reddy announced that Telangana's Global Summit, December 8 to December 9, will launch the Telangana Rising 2047 Vision Roadmap. Expert says anti-terror capacity in India may be further strengthened following this white-collar terror module exposed in the Red Fort investigation. The Delhi government has moved to expand its anti-smog guns network with more than 100 new units to be installed by November 29. Officials says air quality index AQI in Delhi remains at severe level as ventilation conditions hamper dispersion of pollutions. A recent report warned that long-term exposure to Delhi's polluted air is shortening life expectancy with over 17,000 deaths in the city annually linked to air pollution. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Bhartiya Radio for more updates.